How to activate a Cooperative Bank Credit Card online. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to cooperativebank.co.uk. Now on this web page, you want to first click on the option of Login. If you are new to this, you want to register your account first. Now over here, you will have to enter your username. If you want your username to be remembered, check this box. In case you have forgotten your login details, click on this link, then click on the next option. Now on the next step, you will have to enter your password and then click on the login option. Once you have been logged into your account, you want to click on the option of credit cards. Then there you are going to find all of your credit cards. You simply want to select the one that you want to activate. Then next to it, you're going to find activate button. Click on it to activate your card. Follow the on-screen prompts and input your card details and any other required personal information to complete the activation process. You can also check the documentation that came with your credit card. Often there will be instructions provided on how to activate your card. This is going to include a phone number to call or a website to visit. If you have to activate it by phone, you can call the number provided with your credit card documentation or on the sticker attached to the card. You will likely be connected with an automated system or a customer service representative who will guide you through the activation process. Be prepared to provide all the credit card details, possibly some personal information to verify your identity. You can also use the mobile app or visit the bank itself to activate your card. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.